How to solve for s from this nice problem. Cube root of s plus 28 minus cube root of s minus 28 is equal to 2. Solution. Let a is equal to cube root of s plus 28 and b is equal to cube root of s minus 28. Then a minus b is equal to 2. Let's call this equation 1. From here and here, let's take the cube of both sides. A cube is equal to cube root of s plus 28 cube. This will cancel this. A cube is equal to s plus 28. Also, b cube is equal to cube root of s minus 28 cube. This will cancel this. B cube is equal to x minus 28. Then a cube minus b cube is equal to s plus 28 minus x minus 28. Then a cube minus b cube is equal to s plus 28 minus s plus 28. This will cancel this. A cube minus b cube is equal to 28 plus 28. A cube minus b cube is equal to 56. Let's call this equation 2. Note that if you have a minus b, if you have a minus b to the power of 3, this is equal to a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3 minus 3ab bracket a minus b. But we know that a minus b is equal to 2 from this equation 1. Then this is 2 raised to power 3 is equal to a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3 minus 3ab bracket 2. But a raised to power 3 minus c raised to power 3, a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3 is equal to 56. So this is 2 raised to power 3 is 8 is equal to 56 minus 3ab bracket 2. Then this is 8 is equal to 56 minus 3 times 2, that is 6ab. Eight minus 56 is equal to minus 6ab. Then 8 minus 56. Then minus 48 is equal to minus 6ab. Let's divide both sides by minus 6 divided by minus 6. AB is equal to, this will cancel this, minus 6 in 48, we have 8. This will cancel this. AB is equal to 8. Let's call this equation 3. Also, note that if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus b square plus ab. Then we know that a minus b is equal to 2 from equation 1. This is equal to 2 bracket a square plus b square plus ab. And a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3 is what? 56 from equation 2. Now let's divide both sides by 2. Divided by 2. This will cancel this. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 28. A square plus b square plus ab is equal to 28. Let's call this equation 4. Now from equation 4, a square plus b square plus ab is equal to 28. Then we know that ab is equal to 8 from equation 3. So this is a square plus b square plus 8 is equal to 28. Then a square plus b square is equal to 28 minus 8. A square plus b square is equal to 20. Let's call this equation 5. Note that if you have a plus b all square, this is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a plus b all square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now we have a plus b all square is equal to a square plus b square. That is 20 plus 2 bracket ab is what? 8. This is equal to 20 plus 8 times 2, that is 16. Then this is equal to 36. Therefore, a plus b all square is equal to 36. Let's call this equation what? 6. Now let's take the square root of both sides. Square root of a plus b all square is equal to plus or minus square root of 36. This will cancel this. A plus b is equal to plus or minus 6. Let's call this equation 7. Now from here we can see that equation 7 has plus or minus, that which is in two cases. Then the first case is a plus b is equal to 6, and the second case a plus b is equal to minus 6. We can now solve this equation 7 and equation 1 simultaneously. Then let's consider this. A plus b is equal to 6. Then equation 1 is a minus b is equal to 2. Then let's add the two equations together. This will cancel this. A plus a, 2a is equal to 8 divided by 2 divided by 2. This will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. Then a is equal to 4. If a is equal to 4, let's substitute for a in any of these equations to get b. Then let's pick the second one. A minus b is equal to 2. Then 4 minus b is equal to 2. Minus b is equal to 2 minus 4. Then minus b is equal to minus 2. B is equal to 2. This is the value of b. Now let's consider the second case also. When a plus b is equal to minus 6, from here a plus b is equal to minus 6. Then equation 1 is a minus b is equal to 2. Let's add the two equations together again. This will cancel this. We have 2a is equal to minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4. Now let's divide both sides by 2. Divided by 2. This will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. A is equal to minus 2. Now, if a is equal to minus 2, let's solve for b here. We can pick either equation 1 or 2. Let's pick this now. A plus b is equal to minus 6. When a is what? Minus 2. We have minus 2 plus b is equal to minus 6. Then b is equal to minus 6 plus 2. B is equal to minus 4. This is the value of b. So we've got the value of a here, which is equal to 4, and a here is equal to minus 2. But we want to solve for s. Now recall that a raised to power 3 is equal to s plus 28 with no a, which is equal to minus 2 and 4. Now when a is equal to minus 2, then this is minus 2 to the power of 3 is equal to s plus 28. Minus 2 raised to power 3, this is minus 8, is equal to s plus 28. Then s is equal to minus 36. This is the first value of x. When a is equal to 4, we have a raised to power 3 is equal to s plus 28. Then 4 raised to power 3 is equal to s plus 28. 4 raised to power 3 is 64 is equal to s plus 28. S is equal to 64 minus 28. Then s is equal to 36. This is another value of x. Therefore, our final answers for x are, we can see that we have s is minus 36 or plus 36. Therefore, s is equal to plus or minus 36. This is the final